So what we have right here is what is left of Isaias, as of the 5 o'clock advisory. I think the 8 o'clock came out now. Hold on, I have to move my camera. Just a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so yeah, right now it's in Vermont. You can see it jumped from here to here in the same advisory, which is just crazy. Alright, we already got 2 people. Hello, let me just open the chat really quick. Sup, I survived Isaias. Okay, so you didn't watch my last video, and it can now. How you can. I have to pull up chat really quick. There's like nothing here. Oof. I got a lot of gusty winds and a lot of rain. Hard rain though. It was a little bit of gust here. I'm gonna plug my phone in really quickly, and then the stream can get fully started. Plug in my phone, and then we can start here. All right, perfect. Alright, the depression, anxiety, OCD said, please watch my channel. Okay, can you watch my channel when you can? Sure, I don't know. Also, like this, share this. I don't know what else to say. I've been going for 4 minutes and I already got a bunch of viewers. I don't know. So you can see the tropical storm warnings are in effect from Connecticut all the way up to Maine. Still in effect from there. Still in effect for there, I should say. My dad got hit by a tornado, frowny face. Oof, that sucks. Alright, so here's the... Well, this is how the storm went. I remember when it was a PTC9. Now it is about to go extratropical and die. Oh, I see you were doing a stream. All right. Yeah, I wish I could get one to, why do you wish for a hurricane? That's not whatever. I don't. My chat, I think, is glitching a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's move on to some other stuff. I feel like I've been doing the same thing for a while. Here, we're going to go on ECIS, and then we're going to move on to some way other stuff. We are going to be probably done with Tropical. But here's the track. Here's what it basically did. It started here. I'm going to go to this. I'm going to go over here. 5 zeros, and we are not even 7 minutes in. Well, we just hit 7 minutes now. Alright, so here we can see the past track. Here, where's the past track? Ah. It isn't out. Oh well. I can't do streams. I'm gonna check something. Okay, I'm not gonna narrate the chat. That is not what I do. Don't think my job as a streamer is to narrate the chat. Let's see if we can get the past track. No, we can't. I can't get it. I have Discord too, by the way. Well, I know you do, because you're active on my server. Also, did you say I mentioned a server? Yes, I do mention a server. I have a Discord server. Yay, please join it, or else I'll be mad. Like, very mad. Alright. Yes, please join my server. I know I'm breaking my own rule of no advertising on this channel, but I put it in chat. There, do it, join it. Yes, please join it. They didn't answer. Who's they? Who's they? Alright, let's check on some other tropical stuff. Ooh, I gotta get that out of the way before I get copyrights claimed by direct weather just randomly joining. I don't know. Alright, I want to check on this. This has been dying, but yeah, I don't think that's worth mentioning. So yeah, I think we are done with the tropics for now. Let's just see what's going on here. Nothing much, actually, sadly. Wait, this is 48 hours. I'm gonna say 5 days. Oh yes, we do have something. That is 20% chance. That's exactly how Amanda started. That turned into Cristobal. It's a 20% chance, and generally this area actually was down back over here. But the thing is, I've realized the first. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't think I should. Not worth mentioning. Let's see if Hurricane Lucas will come on. Or Typhoon Lucas now on my server. Alright. So there's this. Let me read it out to y'all. An area of low pressure is forecasted to form south or southwest Mexico over the weekend. Environmental development after that system moves generally west-northwestward. I'll be back to the CBC. I'll be right back. I think the CBC release is the new 2 weeks. I think the 2 week thing. I don't think. I don't know. I'll check about what Sebastian said. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so I can get basically my. Oh, that's blurry. Alright, it looks better now. This actually looks much more ideal than my other streams where I have it at like an angle like this. Okay, don't ruin the angle. Okay, perfect. Guys, guess what? Alright, let me answer. An area in the Pacific is a high risk. There's a moderate in the Atlantic. No, there's a moderate in the... You literally just said that, Sebastian. But okay. Alright. Sebastian's gotten that. Well, let's just check out on anything here. Anything I really want, because this is my stream. What's the precipitation? It looks the same. Alright. Here's the temperature for next. Here's this coming week's temperature. As you can see, it looks something like this. Here's the precipitation. Oops. Here's the precipitation for the next one. I have 2 people watching, 2 whole viewers. 1, 2. You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Yeah, I've seen that meme before, like many times before. Here's the precipitation. Actually, this is for the 8 to 4. What the 1814 day? That's the same thing. Oh no, this is the 3. This is the that's the 1 month. This is from the next month. Let's let's look at this on 1 month. Let's look at this 1 month probability, because why not? I need something to talk about. Yum raisins. Well, oops. No, I'm not in that Soros Roblox group. No, you didn't see that. We didn't see anything. Message retracted. You know, message here. Oh, I need to show you something funny here. Let me screenshot. Okay, let's just ignore that. I didn't screenshot anything. Alright, share this with everybody that you know. I don't know. Do whatever you want. Share this, please. Hey, what's the 749 millibar into Savvy scale or the Hurricane scale? I don't think that really has an account to that, because I do think that like Douglas was like Cat 4, and I believe that was like around 947, something like that. But at the same time, Sandy was a Cat 1, and it was also about 947. So it really doesn't matter about that. You also have to count during the size of the storm too. Like Sandy was really big and Douglas was kind of tiny, so that's why it kind of was different. And I'm comparing Douglas. I don't know why never mind. What did I just say? It's small. I think if you mean on like a small storm, Hurricane Sandy. Is the miles showing? Oh, whoa, okay. Did you say the miles are showing something? Oh, well, I gotta check that out. I'm gonna check tropical tidbits. Let's see what. Oh boy, I remember Sandy. Yep, we all do. Alright. This is the last update on Isaias from Tropical Tidbits. Kind of sad that they didn't include me, Northeastern. Dude! That's what. Alright, let's see what else is there. There's literally nothing active. Okay, I think they're saying something about the GFS model. I will go right to that. Wait, what did I say? Did I say in like a week and a half. Oh wait, let me check this out. I did see something. I did see the model saying something big heading in the Gulf. That was like the hour 300 or something. It's just crazy. Yeah, it's hour something like crazy. Also, there's something in the Pacific. I think that's actually the AOY that we got right here. Oh yeah, an hour like something crazy. Yeah, 9:47, just like you said. Let's zoom in exactly onto that. Yeah, there is some models saying that is exactly 9:47 at hour 384. It's a little too far out. Wait, Travel Digibus has an app? Of course I'm installing. I'll install it after this stream. That's actually the 9:47 thing that ADHD boy was talking about. Yeah, I think because this is the exact same, and he did say something about GFS, and this is GFS right here. This is the GFS. Alright. Let's see if I can get the sounding on this. Yeah, that's literally no share, except for the extreme up top, but especially if it's like towards the eye, like it can get a little wonky. But there's how long has the models been showing that? Ever since 6 hours ago, because hour 387 is the newest one. It's the literal newest model that just came out. Yep, the newest model, about 300 hours or more. Yeah, that's extremely, extremely far out. Do not, oh no, I think that's the date I go back to school or something around that. Oh no, that's getting into our forecast now. Ah, the summer's ending. Oh well. Also, this climate model, it lets me go. So there's this website that lets me use climate models and like. Is that blue that I see? What is this? Explain. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in for everybody to see. That's blue I see. That is blue I see. I see blue right there. Yeah, that's snow that I see in the forecasts. Oh no, it's coming back. Ah, scary. And I love how you zoom in like it like fits everything. Like I can literally use this while being zoomed in, but I hate this so much. In fact, why do I see snow on the forecast? Why am I talking about snow in my tropical weekend streams? And it's not even the weekend, it's Tuesday night. Tuesday night. But I haven't used this tool since May. I have to close my door. Oh yeah, snow in Canada. It's back, baby. It's totally back. Let's see how much though. Oh yeah, snow in Canada. That's that white stuff. Beautiful white stuff that it's only pretty if it's like 3 inches and then everything. I need to show to that my friend how long it is. It's 387 models, so I don't think you need to show anything just yet. Alright. Go on to some other stuff. Alright, let's see if there's anything going on. What's a Haga? Yeah, I did hear about Hagaput. I think, whatever it's called. Yeah, because when I checked, in fact, I think I can pull this up. Is that on some in a little bit of advisories ago, I was checking Isaias or something like that. Yeah, and there's like, nah, not that far back. Something like more. This advisory? Oh, that's 31. Something more like that advisory or something. Yeah, that advisory, I believe, exact. That advisory. I checked, I saw the 34 knot wind speeds, and this was there. I saw this giant. Do you mean 384 hours? Yes, I do. I said 384 models. That is a lot of models. I don't think that there's even that many in the weather thing. I saw this on the map, and I didn't actually know that the National Hurricane Center issued it for other things. That it isn't a hurricane, but this is giant compared to that, not gonna lie. And these hurricane warnings were correct. Unlike the hurricane warnings over here that barely gave any tropical storm winds to Florida, giving them a giant hurricane warning. Also, ask any questions, leave comments in the reply section. Share this with literally everyone you know. But don't spam it, though. Here's the cone is going to become a storm. And by 2 p.m. tomorrow, it's supposed to be a sad. I just sneezed. It's very interesting, not gonna lie. See a very sad depression. Tropical depressions are very depressing, not gonna lie. I want to watch and listen to a local on the 8 hashtag. That is cool theme, but you don't want whatever that said. Okay, I'll just say okay to that. I have no idea what that said. Flash flooding potential. Also, there's a high risk issued earlier today for flash flooding. But we do have a slight risk. Here's the U.S. rainfall potential. You can see it's in the U.S. right here. This is 100% the U.S. This is all the U.S. This is totally not Canada. That is all the U.S. We are just hitting 30 minutes, yay! Woohoo. I'm so happy, I don't know. Oh yeah, and look at this, I actually got tropical storm winds. Yay. And I really want to get the the app for this. I really want the Tropical Tidbits app. Alright, I kind of forgot about this storm, that it ever existed. This one right here. Looks like a pretty significant tropical storm as it heads into there, and then it could, I honestly don't know. This isn't really a forecast. Let's just see what the NAM is saying for the USA. Let's see what the really, really high quality model. Like, this is so high quality. Look, I just love it so much. Look at this. Radar and satellite. Oh, it's the best product. No, I don't think any other really big model has this other than the NAM. A lot of special marine warnings yesterday. Yes, there was. But this is like so satisfying. Look at this. You could see Isaias over there. Oh, and you could also see that it has like this cold front or this line of storms in the ocean. You see a lot of line of here. I'm gonna go back to this day. I just want to see the evolution of Isaias, the evolution of it. Go to this model. I think that's a little too far behind. Just a little bit. Like, this storm moved very, very fast, so didn't really have time. You don't really have too many model runs that really show it's hitting the northeast too much, because it moved very fast. Like maybe one or two. I mean, this one does though. That's good. There's also a little bit of severe in Oklahoma, believe it or not. But as you can see, what the North American model did call for is that kind of one singular band that moved through. There was one band that I remember that moved through my area that it spawned like 10 tornado warnings, I believe, or something like that. So the North American model of the NAM showed something like that. It wasn't. You really had to get a good radar to see it, but because it wasn't really too visible on something else. But I did see something like that. I also love the NAM a lot. It just does stuff like, shows this stuff. It's like the real life it's like a real simulation instead of like really just not too like much of what, I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Hold on 1 second. Grayscale, I don't know what that means. For whatever reason, it says I've been streaming for 6 minutes. I've been streaming for exactly 35 minutes. Alright, let's keep going on this stream that I was saying. I'm just looking at some old model runs because I like to show them off. Let's see what some of the new models are. Let's see if we can find any blow-ups of convection. That actually was fun to say, blow-ups of convection. And the name is also pretty good at tracking snow. Like, there was this one thing that, like, we were teased here with snow. Of course we didn't get any. If you looked at the totals of the entire year, we only got 0.3 inches. So of course we didn't get anything, but the NAM was one of the only models that said we wouldn't get anything, which is kind of good, I guess. Like, it's good, like, good at predicting winter weather. Don't wait for a hurricane to be on your doorstep today. So you can see there's going to be some pretty long track thunderstorms. You can see there could be some thunderstorms. The clouds will be firing up in Wyoming and Colorado, and they will be dying in Kansas. Okay. Makes sense to me. Alright, let's look at some of the climate models. And see what we got for the climates. Let's look at some of the precipitation because I like that. It's a nice thing to look at. The CFS precipitation forecast models. I hope I don't get hit by a 155 mile per hour storm. I don't think you would want that. Don't think you would really want a Category 5, to smash your town. Yeah, you wouldn't, hope for it. Category 1 would be fun to dance around in, but Tropical Storm Category 1, maybe 2, but I think anything beyond that is just, you will die if you do. So you can see here is obviously right here, it's above average for Isaias, like extremely above average actually, and then it's above average across a bunch of the country, and then it sort of average except for some of the southeast, and then the deep south would be seeing above average. Everything else sort of near normal, and then just beyond that. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna read chat now. Alright, I'm gonna leave and let my aperture by. Okay, I hope I don't get hit by a 100. Okay, yeah, DC list. Okay. I think I might want to end the stream early. Alright, goodbye. Have a good day. And I will stream next week. Or this weekend. I really don't know. Bye.